So we're having a trade right now from AUD to USD. This is an Australian US dollar compared to US dollar. So what I have here is particularly I'm trading at this price. That's 0.7520. That's why trading price, and I put my stop loss on the price of 75.32. That's around 11 pips higher. And I put my take profit to 21 pips. That's around 74.99. Now, let's take a look. Why did I put my trade? Why did I took a trade for this one? And why do I have a stop loss of this position? And why did my take profit is gonna be on this price? So let's go to my graph. By the way, currently I'm earning what, like 40 US 40 cents, but due to the commissions, wala pa akong kinikita as you can see. So let's go for my graph. This is my graph and AUD USD. So one of my strategy in where to put my stop loss or where to put my take profit is I get it from pivot system. So if we turn on my pivot system, by the way, for those you out there, I'm using TradingView. This is a chart. This is a TradingView chart. So what I use is a TradingView. So as you could see, the pivot, here is the price of the pivot. Now you could see a price there. Now if you could see the brown stars, so above that is my stop loss. So anything that goes up will be against my trade. So that's why I put my stop losses. I could also put my stop loss here, but that will be too much for me to risk. So that's why I put my stop loss here. And for the reason my take profit was a little bit lower, I use my 1 hour trade. As you can see, oh, where's my 1 hour? There, here's my 1 hour. I make sure that is level with this one. So that's 74.97. So that's my take profit. So now, why did I trade for down? As you can see, because of my statistics here, it says goes down. So I trusted this so much, and this is so very reliable. This is about 1 hour chart. Then I put my stop loss on the 5 minutes chart based, and my take profit again back to 1 hour, and that's it. So currently here it is now, and currently I'm gaining 2.8 pips. That's around 5.40 US dollars. And I hope we're gonna have a good trade for today. So I'll be back as soon as it will hit my take profit. So I'm gonna pause this one and go back a couple of after an hour. Go back to after an hour. Currently it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and by 3 o'clock I'm gonna record this again. So stand by. Okay, so nakikita po natin that we are currently on the 7.1 pips. No? You're currently in the 7.1 pips. So, to make it safe po, we are now trying to move our stop loss. Kasi kung hindi pa natin move at the trade will goes against us, maging medyo malaki ang tatalunin natin. So, to move the stop loss, dapat po favorable sa atin. So, normally, I move my stop loss pag umabot na po ng 7 to 10 pips ang aking trade. So, ngayon, kasi umabot na po siya, like currently, it's 8.9, actually, it's 9.9 pips na po siya. So, I'm going back to my pivot. So as you could see, this is a green pivot. This is, I believe, a good pivot. So, ilalagay ko po dyan, no, ang aking stop loss or above it. So, that will be 75.18. Tingnan po natin ilang pips po to. So, yan, nakikita nyo, iuurong ko na po yung stop loss natin into 75.18. Yan, that's around 1.7 pips. Tama. That's 1.7 pips. So, ngayon, if ang kagandahan po ng stop loss is, anong like kagaya ngayon, is anong mang mangyari. If the trade or if the price will go up, it will be against to our trade, nagkaroon na po tayo ng sure na profit na 1.7 pips, that's around $3.40. Tatanggalan na lang po yan ng commission at may matitira na po tayo. So meaning to say po, dahil inurong natin ang ating stop loss from the trade price we have, sure na po tayong merong mauuwi na profit. No? But hindi lang po kalakihan, but at least this is, ang tinatawag nito is para siyang safety sa ang pag-trading mo. No? Habang hindi pa naabot yung take profit, which is ang take profit po nasa 21 pips, at ang current is nandito na po, umaabot na po ng 11.1 pips, no? Nasa price na po ng 75.09. So, ang stop loss ko po nandyan na po sa 1.7 sa nakikita nyo. No? So, if the price are not favorable to me, no? If the trade goes up, kung ano mang mangyari, hindi po natin alam what will happen in the future. Hindi po natin, baka mamaya merong nangyari sa Australia or sa US, biglang lumakas, no? Biglang lumakas ang US, no? Or biglang lumakas ang Australia, magkakaroon po tayo ng different flow of trading. Sa ngayon, it's favorable sa atin, which is I'm really expecting. Nakikita ako ngayon ng $42, which is that's 21.2 pips. Currently, it's 12 pips na. So, sa procedure ko po, basta umabot ng 10 pips, 10 to 15 pips, iuurong ko na po ang aking stop loss into 5 pips. Yan. So, meaning to say, meron na po akong $10 profit na nakaabang. So, ano mang mangyari, profit ko na po yan. Kikita na po ako. In case, babaliktad po ang presyo or ang trade, it will go against me. So, yan lang po. This is why, this is very important na magkakaroon po tayo ng tamang sistema sa pag-trade, and ito po ang sistema ang ginawa ko is nag-suit lang po sa personality ko. Now, disclaimer din, again, trading is a skill. Maaring iba ayaw sa sistema ko. Bakit? Kasi iba po yung personality nila. So, tama ba sila? Mali ba sila? Wala pong tama at mali dito. Ang importante po is kumita kayo sa paraan na saan kayo hiyang, saan kayo mapanatag. Sa akin, ganito na sistema ang pamamaraan ko, kaya ako panatag na po. Which is, malay po natin, pareho pala tayo ng personality, then pareho tayo ng trade. Or kahit magka-similar man lang. So, ito na po. So, I'll be back again pag inabot na po ang ating take profit na nasa presyo ng 74.99. That's around 42 pips. Currently, nasa 75.07. That's 12 pips pa po. But I'm earning already 24. Ang kagandahan lang, if I'll stop now, yan na po yung profit ko. If I'll stop now. But if hindi pa, aabot pa yan ng 42. Now, if ever mag-change, nakaabang na po yung $10 profit ko kasi yung stop loss ko, inurong ko na po sa price na saan ako nag-trade. I am 5 pips lower than the price that I make a trade. So, ito na po, sure na po tong profit sa akin. So, mamaya, abangan natin. Ipopost ko lang to. Maraming salamat. For the time, nasa 2:22. So, isang mga 30 plus minutes pa bago mag 3 o'clock. So, maraming salamat po. Okay, system check lang po. Nakikita po natin. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko na if ever the trade will go against us, meron na tayo naka-reserve. Kagaya ngayon, no, I was really expecting na bababa dire-diretso, pero ang nangyari, tumaas. No? So, if ever tuloy-tuloy itong tataas, hindi na po tayo kikita doon. But then again, dahil po yung stop loss ko ay inurong ko na, naninigurado po tayo na kikita, kaya inurong ko ng 5 pips lower than my trade. So, nanigurado na po ako ng $10 profit niyan. So, if in case, tuloy-tuloy ang pagtaasan nito, kumita pa rin tayo. Hindi lang nga ganun kalaki, pero at least kumita tayo ng $10 for today. So, again, that's the purpose of the stop loss. That's the purpose of moving the stop loss to your favorable trade. No? Para po tayo hindi kayo malugi. Actually, ngayon, I could really stop it na at kumita na ako ng around 16. That's $15. That's 7.7 pips. But, hindi na muna. I'll rather stay. I'll rather wait. At sa bagay, meron na po tayong naka-reserve na $10 dyan. That's around how many? 500 pesos na rin po sa Philippine money. No? Titingnan na lang natin if talagang aakyat na tuloy-tuloy or bababa. So, that's how I trade. Ganito po ako nag-trade regarding Forex. Pause ko lang po at if ever ano mangyari, I'll be back. Ayan na po. As you can see, tinamaan po ako, no? Tingnan mo nito. Yan. Tumama po sa akin yan. So, nakikita nyo talagang tinamaan po yung stop loss ko na nakalagay dyan. As titingnan natin ngayon sa history, ayan po. Kumita pa rin po ako ng $10. No? Net ng 9.34, that's 5.2 pips pa rin po ang kinita natin. So, not bad for today. So, as I have said, it's better safe, no, than sorry. Kasi hindi po talaga natin alam ang mangyayari. I really don't know what will happen tomorrow. But because of the signals and my experience, kaya po na-predict natin ito. So again, this is Uling Cyril. If you do have questions, please contact me. Maraming salamat po.